Today we are here in Chennai to announce the extraordinary collaboration between OP Jindal Global University, Sonipat, Haryana, which is an institution of eminence recognized by the Government of India, and the Indian Institute of Technology, Madras, which is also an institution of eminence. This collaboration is part of an effort that we have undertaken at Jindal Global University. We are establishing India's first Constitution Museum, which will be inaugurated in the next few days as a mark of commemoration of the 75th anniversary of the adoption of the Constitution of India. On 26 November 1949, we adopted the Constitution, and this year we are celebrating the 75th anniversary. But we also thought that we should do something unique, recognizing the extraordinary evolution of Indian Constitution, but also India's commitment to both tradition and modernity. So what we thought was we should, while we are building this museum, which is more a traditional, historical, and very much in terms of collecting our history, we thought we should do something quite modern in it. And that's how we collaborated with the IIT Madras, where we have today launched India's first robotic museum tour guide. This robotic museum tour guide, which is called S.A.M.V.I.D, which is the Samvidhan word is about the Constitution. So we are calling this robot as S.A.M.V.I.D. That has been created by a very fantastic collaboration, largely led by the IIT Madras students who specialize in robotics, with the students of OP Jindal Global University who help them on the design side. This effort is the IIT Madras students' effort, that they have been able to create S.A.M.V.I.D. This will be a tour guide in the Constitution Museum. We are very delighted that we've been able to launch the robot here in the city of Chennai. And is that after we inaugurate the Constitution Museum, Mr. Om Birla, the Honorable Speaker of Lok Sabha, will be inaugurating the Constitution Museum along with Mr. Naveen Jindal, our Chancellor of OP Jindal Global University and Member of Parliament, on 23rd November. And after which we will be able to open the museum to the world at large. This museum is going to be available for public to also come and experience the museum. We invite you as journalists as well as others you can register online and book yourself. There are no charges involved in access to the museum. We want to keep the museum democratic and accessible and inclusive, and that's why we have kept it available for public at large. But because the museum is located inside the university campus, you obviously need to book prior before you actually come to the museum.